Alright, so the Ichimoku system does have a way to project the price, but it's a very basic projection method. So I would recommend learning something else for projections like Fibonacci or Gann analysis or pivot points. And they're also good. But I'll teach you this nonetheless because it is part of the Ichimoku system. And what that is just a basic one-to-one projection. Okay, so I'll plot our trade right here because this is where the trade would have happened when the price is meeting with the upper boundary of the cloud. Alright, so I'm going to draw a rectangle around that, and then you see that the price is happening in an uptrend. We still have the Tenkan-sen, or in other words the turning line or conversion line, staying on top, finding support, and then the price coming above or into the cloud, engulfing candle right there, and then goes back into an uptrend. Alright, so you find the trade, you get into the trade. What do you do next? All you do is you measure the previous wave and then you project out the equal distance. Alright, so depending on your platform, you might have a price tool or a measuring tool. You can also just use the Fibonacci tool. So I'm just going to plot the previous wave from bottom to top. So from this line up to this line, which it says 0%. And then what you can do is, just depending on your platform, once again, just drag that there, and that is your projection. Very, very basic with Ichimoku charting. Here's another example on Australian dollar, US dollar. If you were going to trade this here, we have our trade entry where the price starts to meet with span A, which is on the bottom, indicating a downtrend. And now how are you going to project it? You measure the previous wave. So once again, the Fibonacci tool, I'll measure from top to bottom of this previous wave, and then I will project that out into the future. Here's one more example on British pound, Japanese yen. We have the price meeting with span A, which is on the bottom in this case. And we just take our Fibonacci tool or whatever measuring tool, measure from the top of the previous trend down to the bottom, and then all you do is measure the equal distance of that wave. So as you can see here, the projection for the Ichimoku happened perfectly. You would have had your take profit hit and you would have got out the trade, and it looks like it may have reversed. So that was a perfect take profit right there. So once again, the Ichimoku charting system does have a very basic form of price projection, which is just the one-to-one projection. Once again, you measure the previous wave and then you project out 100% of that wave length. Alright, and then other methods work really well like Fibonacci, Gann analysis, and pivot points for projection. So those would be good to learn to go with these Ichimoku clouds.